Hey there guys, well, we are at this again. Got this toilet, which is still leaking after I replaced the wax ring a few times now. We're going to try something new, which is this Better Than Wax toilet seal by FLUIDMASTer. The reviews on these things are kind of hit or miss. It's kind of 50-50, some it works, some it don't. By the way, this isn't a paid endorsement or anything. I'm just making this to try and help somebody out if they got a similar issue like this. That's why I make these videos. Drain it out. Just like last time, it's leaking right there, same spot. It seems to be filling up this little area. I can see water coming around here. And just kind of it stops around here, but same deal, same as before. Like before, I am using my fish tank siphon to pump out the water in the toilet. And just like that. We're going to go straight into the tub. Now we're going to take and lift the toilet off, set it to the side, and then we will go ahead and replace or clean off the old wax ring. Okay. Slide my shims out of the way. This is what I did last time. Seemed to get most of the wax ring off, although it doesn't look like it's going to come off as clean this time around. No, definitely not. So let me go get a scraper. Back with your scraper. Let's get this cleaned up. Nothing fancy, just a cheap old plastic scraper. In the box, we've got that and that. That's it. Now it says if it's any flange above floor. Okay. So it looks like all we're using. Oh, thought I could see there. All we're using is that seal on the left, that blue one. And that's it. So I don't know if I'm going to need to replace my anchor bolts. I might need some longer ones. So let me go ahead and drop that in there and see what's going on. I don't know if this is going to fit. Looks pretty small, to be honest. Let me take a look, see. It's supposed to just sit like that. I guess your toilet drops in there and just seats down like that. That doesn't seem right. I don't know. I guess I should try it before I keep talking, right? Okay. Now, set this over there. And we will drop her back on. I really hope this thing seats. Okay, that's it. But you can see how wobbly my toilet is here. And why I keep having this issue. I've got it snugged up. I'm gonna give it a test flush before I add shims and all that stuff. I'm gonna go get a couple towels because if this does leak everywhere, then I don't want it getting out of control. Turn the water back on. There we go. So far so good. Let's try it again. And again. I don't see any water leakage. All seems well. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's try it again. Kind of happy, kind of excited at the same time. A little nervous that it's just too soon. Son of a gun, I think that did it, man. Okay, well, as you can see, as nervous and apprehensive as I was about this product and its effectiveness and all that, it seems to be working. I can't believe it. Wow, I'm like genuinely surprised. I'm just kind of like in disbelief right now. Yeah, I think that freaking did it. Wow, guys. Well, FLUIDMASTer, better than wax. So far seems to be sealing better than wax. So, I don't know if you've seen my previous video, but I had a jumbo wax ring, which I replaced basically like 3 times, I think. Maybe this is the 4th time now I'm trying this again. And yeah, when we bought the house, this toilet was just leaking all here and running down into the wood and all that, you know. So I replaced all the lines and the shut-off valve, everything, toilet included, and everything's brand new now. But these wax rings just kept giving out on us every few months. Toilet would just shift and there it was, it would just give out again. But with this rubber seal, it's sitting closer to the floor now. It's not sitting on that wax ring anymore. And it seems to be sealing. So we'll see if this holds up to its promise. I was really nervous. I did not think that was going to work. I thought I was going to have water all over the floor in here. But it seems to be solid. So Wow, I'm really surprised. And I had an above floor flange, so as it says, you know, I did use just the above floor. I tried that one, and this thing was just had it way off the ground, which definitely wouldn't have worked. So wow, I'm gonna go ahead and get my little hacksaw, hack these bolts here, put the caps back on, and call it good. If there ever is another a leak again, then you'll see me uploading a new video with a different rubber seal product. So yeah, I hope this thing is done and I never have to look at it again. At least not for the, what is it, 10 years guarantee or whatever it says on here. 10 years? Yeah, 10-year warranty. Wow, I'm still in just kind of disbelief. I can't believe that actually worked. Pretty sweet. And I've just got 3 shims down here in the corner where it seems to be lifting off uneven. But it is not leaking. It's sealed. I don't hear any little occasional drips into the sewer or nothing like that, like I was before when I had that wax ring leaking. So hopefully this is it, guys. I hope this helps you make an informed decision about this product. If you decide to try it, hope this helped you. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments, you know, how it turned out for you. And thanks for watching. Appreciate you. Have a good day. It's working. Yeah, I didn't think it was going to, but
what's working?
It seems to be sealing.
What's working, Daddy?
The new toilet seal that I put on there, a rubber one.
Look at the rubber one.
It's already on the toilet. No, I put it on there already.
Now look at it.
You can't see it, dude.
Where is it?
It's in the toilet. Underneath it. High five, man. Good job.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's go wash our hands.